Some of you may have been hearing of late about a low T, and Dr. Zane Basrawala joins us now with urology specialist of the Carolinas, urologist. Low T, low testosterone. I know other people are calling it male menopause as well.
Correct.
Describe this. What is low testosterone, and why is testosterone important for men?
Sure. So testosterone is a naturally produced hormone. It's important in basically a lot of functions in men.
You know, we hear about it about sex, but what does it take it beyond there?
So yeah, sex is the obvious thing, and libido is an important thing, and that's testosterone drives those. But the things that are not as well known are things such as low energy, low muscle mass, increased fat deposits, sleep disturbances.
These are if testosterone starts to drop.
Correct.
And it starts to drop what time? Well, generally, when does it start to drop in a man's life?
In some people, they actually notice as early as even in their 40s and even in their 30s on occasion. But most people will notice if they're going to have this drop off in their 50s and 60s.
So if a man starts to feel my mood is off, I'm not getting as much sleep, it could be indeed due to that.
Correct, absolutely, and it's a simple blood test that would be able to determine that. But it also, as you know, there are a lot of other reasons why we feel tired and why our mood may not be optimal. So
you talked about the blood test. How easy is this to check for, number one, and how easy is it to fix?
So the blood test is very simple. It's literally done in the morning. That's when our testosterone is generally the highest.
Yeah.
And results back in a couple of days.
Okay, okay. And do you find that people respond to treatment fairly quickly?
Absolutely. If their testosterone levels are low and they have symptoms from that, they generally get a very good response.
Now, I'm active, and I imagine people are coming forward with, or maybe noticing this problem a little bit more because they're staying active a lot longer in their lives. Would this, let's just say I was feeling this way, would this help me maintain my active lifestyle?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, if your energy level is low and sleep disturbances are a problem, it certainly makes a big difference to replace that and get the levels of testosterone not to a high range, but to a normal range is all we're really looking for.
Okay. Okay. And I guess you can go on. Do you have a website that'll tell us a little bit more about this?
Sure. Yeah. Our home website is urologyspecialistnc.org.
Okay. Okay. We're going to have some information on the screen about how to find out a little bit more about that. Dr. Fernando, much appreciated time. I know a lot of people were wondering about this. Thanks for joining us.
Sure.
That's our in-depth conversation for today. We'll be right back.